Let me say something that might surprise you. Most people who start digital marketing quit within the first few months. Not because it's too hard, not because they are not smart enough, but because they start in the wrong place. They try to learn everything: SEO, ads, content, freelancing, and instead of moving forward, they get stuck, confused, overwhelmed, watching more videos but taking no actions. So here's the real question: if you are starting digital marketing today, where should you actually begin? Because this one decision can either save you months of confusion or waste a lot of your time. So in this video, I am going to give you a clear answer. Not theory, not random advice, a simple starting point that actually makes sense. Now, before I tell you what to choose, you need to understand something very important. The problem is not digital marketing is difficult. The problem is there are too many options, and when there are many options, you don't move. You just keep thinking, should I learn this? Or maybe that is better. Or maybe I should watch one more video, and slowly you get stuck. No action, no progress. And here is the truth that most people don't tell you. You don't need more information, you need direction. Let's simplify this, and I will keep it very real. SEO. SEO is powerful. You can get traffic without spending money. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the catch. It's slow, sometimes weeks, sometimes months, and as a beginner, it can feel like you are doing everything right, but nothing is happening because it is very slow process. Content creation. Now content creation everyone is doing. Reels, YouTube, short forms video, and yes, it works. But again, it takes consistency. You need to show up again and again, and in the beginning growth is slow. Email marketing. Now email marketing very profitable, but there is one problem. You need people first. No audience is equals to no emails. So for beginning, this is not where you start. Build curiosity before answer. So now think about this. Everything we talked about takes time. So what is the fastest way to actually learn and improve? The answer, if you are a beginner, the best skill to start with is social media marketing, specifically ads. And here's why this changed everything. The fastest way to learn digital marketing is not by watching content, it's by putting something in front of people and seeing how they react. And ads allowed you to do exactly that. You run an ad, and within hour you start seeing clicks, leads, sometimes even sales. You are not guessing anymore. You are learning from real data. And when you learn ads, you automatically learn what grab attention, what makes people click, what makes people buy. And these are the core skills of digital marketing. Think about it like this. Instead of waiting months to understand marketing, you are learning directly from the market. Real people, real behavior, real feedback. But let me be very clear, running ads is not just about clicking buttons. That's where most beginners go wrong. Ads don't work because of the platform. Ads work because you understand people, you create good creatives, you write good messaging. So now what should you do? Very simple. Step 1, learn the basic of Facebook or Instagram ads. Step 2, understand how targeting works. Step 3, start small, even from rupees 200 to rupees 500. Step 4, observe what happens. Don't overcomplicate it. And if you follow this properly, you will learn more in 7 days than most people learn in 3 months of just watching videos. So now you don't need to feel confused anymore. You don't need to jump from one skill to another. Start with one, get good at it, then expand, because if you get this one decision right, your entire digital marketing journey becomes 10x easier. In the next video, we are going to go much deeper into Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and all the social media ads. So if you want to learn digital marketing in a simple and practical way, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.